Hey YouTube, Ricky V here. Today I want to talk about something that I've seen on the news a lot recently, which is that Apple is going to be releasing a Pro mode for their latest MacBook Pros. And this is what I would call cool, but we've been able to do this for a while with other software in the Mac ecosystem. And today in this video, I want to show everyone that does not have the latest and greatest MacBook Pros how they could go ahead and get the same results and get a better fan curve to keep their machine running a little bit cooler, which means it may boost a little bit higher. Let's go ahead and jump into the screen share of my MacBook Pro, and I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Alright, here we are inside of the Final Cut Pro timeline, and I'm scrubbing back and forth to generate some heat, and look at that. 100 degrees Celsius, this computer's getting hot. I'll go ahead and show you the fans are running at 2,700 RPMs. That's nothing for how hot this computer's getting. Okay, I think what I'm going to do now is go ahead and start a project render of the timeline so that we can see how long it takes the computer to render out this project. Done here, we're at about 97%. And there you go, 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Alright, we're going to switch gears here a little bit, and we're scrubbing the timeline with my custom fan curve. And look, it's not breaking 90 degrees Celsius. And look at that, the fans have sped up a little bit, even though I'm not running anywhere near as hot. And we can see the machine is cooling down faster too. It's now dropped down to about 71 degrees Celsius. Alright, here I am scrubbing the timeline again. I want to see if I can get the computer to run hot. Okay, it's going about 95 Celsius. And look, the fans have spun up. Alright, here we go. I'm going to start the render of the timeline. Almost to the end here, and let's see what kind of numbers we get. 5 minutes and 17 seconds. 5 minutes and 17 seconds as opposed to 5 minutes and 36 seconds without my custom fan curve. Looks like we gained some performance as well.
Alright everyone, there you go. As you can see by using Mac's Fan Control, the software that I showed you on the screen share, you're able to design a custom fan curve or set a fan curve for yourself that will give you the ability to lower the temperature just a little bit on your MacBook Pro or any of your Mac computers. This is really useful because that allows the computer to turbo boost a little bit longer so you can get a little bit better performance out of your computer. Now, if there's a separate set of software that you've been using to get the same effect, put a comment down below and let us know what you've been using so we can have a conversation. I trust you all learned something and enjoyed watching this video.